Is this the worst Apple leather wallet yet? Well, no, because it's not leather. It's the new iPhone FineWoven Wallet. Apple's decided to replace all their leather accessories for the new iPhone 15 Pro generation and moving on with FineWoven. It's a material that they say will help them go carbon neutral. It's not leather. I've heard bad things. We're gonna pop it open, give it a shot. I'm gonna take it out to a soccer game with me, see how it survives the trip. Here's our unboxing. Voila. Voila, part 2. It survived the fall, so here it is. Dark blue color. That's the one I got, because I've got the blue iPhone 15 Pro coming in. It's so silky smooth to the touch. It feels great. That said, what I'm hearing is that it scratches ridiculously easy. And unlike a leather wallet, it doesn't kind of heal itself. For reference, with the iPhone 12 Pro, I used this blue wallet for 2 years. Got some, some wear on it, but ultimately great shape. Any little scratches kind of mostly healed up. You probably can't see them on camera here, but they exist. For the past year, I've been using this purple one with my purple iPhone 14 Pro. It's worked great, no complaints. It's my favorite accessory for iPhone. You can pop your cards out using the back there, so voila, there's my Apple card, there's my state ID, boom. What more do you need? That's all I travel with. That and Apple Pay does it all. So tonight, we're gonna try out this FineWoven wallet. Gonna pop that on. It still works with the older phones. I don't know if it's a magnet thing or I think it's the material. It's far looser. The old ones weren't crazy strong to begin with, but this is wobbling all over with almost no effort. Comparison, here's me kind of applying the same effort to this. It's still easy to move, but it feels like it has some friction to it. This thing, not so much. I don't know. It's already prompted me to add it to Find My. So I'm gonna go give this a shot all night. As you can see, it's in pristine condition for now. See how it is later. Fun game. Charlotte ended up blowing it. They were 2-zip, and then Philadelphia scored 2, so it was a tie game. Sad times. Responding to YouTube comments here, people tell me to eat real, authentic Mexican food. What if I told you real, authentic Mexican food wasn't always as good as Chipotle? Mind blown, right? Point being, I've been out all night with my FineWoven case. I haven't managed to screw it up. It's still fun to touch. It still looks nice. The grip on your phone isn't as much as it was with the leather case. I like to go with a naked phone with the leather wallet case. This, I don't know. The Verge wrote that article just chewing this apart. You can scratch it, it doesn't heal, it frays, whatever. I believe all that. That's not great. Is it gonna just scratch on its own? Not necessarily. It's survived me doing enough random stuff, but I've had situations with old iPhone cases back when I used to use the iPhone leather cases and the wallets. Sometimes you accidentally leave a little scratch. You grab it, you drop it, you scrape it. It doesn't fully heal. You can always kind of tell it was there, but the leather does kind of naturally mask it a bit after time. This won't. For the price they're charging, this is the same price as the leather goods. It's hard to justify. I can't speak to the case. I have one coming in tomorrow and I'm concerned about keeping it now. I might just return it. If it's fragile, then what's the point? for the price. I mean, this wallet case I think was $60. You can go check it out yourself. You probably already know if you're watching this. I don't know, guys. If I'm being completely honest with you, I think I'm gonna keep using. Well, I'm gonna switch back to my blue one. I got the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro coming. I think this will look okay on it. It doesn't match quite up as well as it did with the 12 Pro, but like this matches the titanium blue pretty well. But I don't know. The second I get a real scratch on this, it's gonna be hideous. That doesn't really matter, but I don't know that I like the grip. It feels cool, but it's not this nice leather grip. Something else I'll say about it, there's more room. So they say you could store, I think they said you could store up to 3 cards in the leather wallet. It was a tight fit, and the wallet would kind of stretch to make that happen over time. This is much looser. This pops right up. There's definitely room for a 3rd card. That'll be kind of snug, but in the same way that 2 cards is snug in the old wallet. So, I don't know. I think, honestly, I think I'm going to return this. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know in the comments. I don't recommend it. Maybe you love it. And if you love it, give it a shot. Try it. Use it. Whatever. I don't care. I'm not going to use it. Apple FineWoven leather wallet. Sorry. Apple iPhone MagSafe. Whatever. FineWoven wallet. Thanks for watching, guys.